Hey, it's Tim Cray with Expert Power Wash in Portland, Oregon, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make one of these chlorine bleach pickup filters. You can buy these online already assembled, or you can just simply make one yourself. So we're going to start off with the main thing, which is going to be the hardest part to get. It's you guys can see it's like a giant pencil. That's how they come. This is called slotted PVC or welt point. You can kind of see, I got my son on the camera over there, you can kind of see how this is slotted and then it kind of stops here, and then another section slotted and it stops. So out of this one tube, you can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pickup filters you can make out of this. And look online with Home Depot. I actually had to order this online and then it was shipped to my store. I don't remember what I paid for it. It was pretty cheap though. So we'll start with that. So I have a piece that I've already cut down. I got a bunch of pieces here from a piece of weld point that I already had. So here's the filter. And Nathan, if you can get in there, can you see in there, you see all the little furry pieces in there? So if you don't get in there and sand this stuff down, if you guys are gonna make these yourself, you're gonna get all these little pieces of plastic from the slots being cutted. You're gonna get that, the filter is actually gonna, it's going to defeat the purpose of filtering. So make sure you get that stuff out. We've already done that obviously with this one here. So again, we cut this down. It's roughly about 6 inches. And I don't know if I said that, but this is 1.25 inches. So we have an 1.25 inch cap. All this stuff, again, is sold at Home Depot. You would use some cement. You can use a 2-part or a 1-step. This is a 1-step. So what you would do is simply put your cement in there, and then you would put that. So there's your cap. And then this piece right here, this is a 90. So we have 1.25 inches to 1 inch. Okay. So we're going to put that on there. And again, you would seal this stuff up. And then we got a reducer right here. So this is a 1 inch, if you can see that good. It's a 1 inch to 1/2 inch. It's threaded. And again, you're going to use your PVC cement and you're going to put that in there. I'm just going to kind of gently show you. So again, this is one we've already built. So now you have a filter that's going to be bleach resistant, chemical resistant. It's not going to be like the metal ones that start flaking off and possibly getting pieces of metal as it corrodes to be picked up into your system. So then this is the drop stick here, if you can see that good. So what we have here, this is a bulkhead, 1/2 inch bulkhead. And we could get into all kind of technicalities on what size this is or whatever, but this is 1/2 inch. So a lot of people will run a 1/2 inch tube to the proportioners and whatnot. So there's that. And then this screws into here. If you want to back up with the camera there. So you would just kind of use a hole saw and then drill a hole in there about this size. I don't know what this is, about 1 inch or so. You'll have to size it up when you go to do this. But anyways, this drops into your tank. Tighten this up really tight. And then your hose runs to wherever you need it to run to. And you have yourself a good chlorine filter. So super simple. If you guys want to build something like this, doesn't really take that many parts. If you guys are interested in me building something like this for you, message me. They're not real expensive, but again, this channel is not to make money or sell things. It's to help you guys build stuff like this and to give you tips to further grow your business. So, hey guys, have a great day. Talk to you soon.